Hey everyone, happy Monday. This is Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today I'll be discussing about Chiliz, and I'll be presenting three forecasts pertaining to the Chiliz crypto start from the time series of June of 2023 till January of 2024 using data since 2019 at a monthly average level, price level, and using AI technique known as ARIMA, which stands for autoregressive integrated moving average. And I'll be presenting three scenarios for its price action in a base scenario. Second one is in bullish scenario, and the third one is in a bearish scenario. What could be its price in the coming few months from June till January? And then for that, I'll be using the chart on your screen. This is the monthly average price chart, and this data from July of 2019 till May of 2023 feeds into the forecast model for AI. And as you can see, this this chart is on a diverging color scale based on z-score, which is a measure of how far the month's price is away from its average price throughout the time series from 2019 till 2023. And how far is it in terms of how far is the difference in terms of standard deviation for this token particularly. Both the average price and the standard deviation is around 14 cents, 14 cents. And the z-score, for example, when in July of 2019, when the price was at the monthly average was 1 cent, 1.5 cent, it meant that from the series average perspective, the price for the month of July was 12.5 cents lower than the average. That's why in terms of standard deviation, if you divide 12.5 by 14, you will get 0.88. And as it is to the downside, that's why the sign is minus. So if you see the z-score, it's minus 0.88. And the color code, when the price is uh, negative, the color shifts green. And when this is this the when the z-score is not the price, the z-score is turning positive, then the color turns from green to red. So during the month of April of 2021, with the price of 50 cents, the z-score was marked as 2.5, because um, 50 cents would be about 36 cents above the average price of 14 cents. And 36 cents, if you divide it by 36 by 14 cents of standard deviation, that would give you a 2.53 score. uh, so as I was discussing about the z-score, this color codes help form the forecasts for the time series. So for example, in June of 2023, the forecasted price is around 10 cents, and that is determined by the past monthly average price. And before we go to the forecasts, I would like to check with respect to other alts, how is the current z score of this Chiliz token doing. So for the month of May of 2023, the price was around 11 cents, and the z score was negative point 0 negative 22 uh, 0.22. So in if you have been following the altcoin series that I have conducted on this channel, you can see that the Chiliz is also one of the many altcoins which has a negative z-score, although the z-score is not as negative as some of the altcoins which typically are ranging for the month of May of a z-score, April or May, of a z-score of around negative 0.50 to 0.85. So this token has a negative z-score, but the color is not deep green. It's light green. And it is the price is kind of above the July 2022 lows at a monthly average level. So with that in mind, let's focus on the actual forecast of the AI model. So at a base level, the base level forecasts are for the month of June of 2023 is 10 cents, which is around 1 cent lower than the month May's average forecast. For the month of July, it's 12 cents. For August, it's 12.3 cents. For September, is 11.3 cents. For October, it's 14.78 or 14.8 cents. For November, it's 11.2 cents. For December is 10.5 cents, and for January it's 12.5 cents again. So the range is from 10 cents to about 15 cents, I would say. And the trajectory is uh, a surge to the upside till August, then a crash in September, then again a second rally in October, then a crash till December, and then a recovery in January. That's trajectory predicted by AI. And this is not financial advice. This is just data science exercise using historical data as an input and applying it to a AI model. So this is the first scenario that I wanted to share. The second scenario is what could happen to the Chiliz token in a bullish environment. So I have used the base model's output and added a multiplier based on a relevant z-score at a phase in its previous market cycle, and by using that, this bullish forecast I have created. So for the month of June, the bullish forecast, and this would technically have would act like a theoretical ceiling for Chili's price action at a monthly average level based on historical data again. The forecast for the month of June is around 12.76 cents, which is about 1.7 cents higher than the current price, and in terms of percentage it would be a little over 15%. For July, the forecast is 14.50 cents. For August, it's 14.74 cents. For September, it's 13.75 cents. For October, it's 17.40 cents. For November, is 13.70 cents. For December, is 13 cents. And for January, is 15 cents. So again, the trajectory is pretty similar to the base forecast, although the values are kind of elevated based on the one standard deviation and z-score as a multiplier. Um, and the range is from, I believe, from 12 cents to 17 and a half cents. That's the range for this time series. And let's go to the last forecast, is bearish forecast, or what could happen if the macroeconomic environment turned bearish for risk assets. In that scenario, again I have used a similar methodology to calculate these prices, and this prices are for the month of June. The forecast is around 8 cents. For July it's 10 cents. For August is 11 cents. For September it's 10 cents. For October is 13 and a half cents. For November it is 9.95 cents. For December is 9.335 cents, and for January is 11.24 cents. So these are all the forecasts pertaining to the Chiliz token. I hope you like this content. If you did, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel. I'll keep on making more altcoin related videos in the coming weeks. So please stay tuned for that as well. And I hope you have a really wonderful rest of your week. Bye bye.